How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to be covering the full technical analysis and short-term price target for SOS stock in just 3 minutes. So let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals for SOS stock on the 6-month 4-hour chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. First of all, last video guys, I told you how we were forming this descending triangle right over here in this area, and also how we were forming various gravestone dojis. As you can see, we had a gravestone doji here, gravestone doji here, and I told you guys how things were looking somewhat pretty bearish, and so the stock ended up dropping down to about the 740 level where it had a gap to fill right over here, which again was the exact level I told you guys to watch for on a move lower. Now if I actually re-enable outside trading hours, we can probably see things a little more clearly. First of all, on the 6-month 4-hour chart, a few things that I'm liking right off the bat is now we're finally starting to form higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, each low is higher than the previous one and each high is higher than the previous one. So that is a bullish pattern. Not just that, but we got a MACD cross right over here showing that the longer term momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls. Another amazing thing that I'm really liking is buying volume has stepped up massively. As you can see, during this entire downtrend, we can see buying volume represented by these green bars really faded away, but now we're seeing buyers really step up, which again, it's a strong bullish indicator. If we actually go to the 1-month chart, we can actually see that it looks like we're forming an ascending triangle. As we can see, we're getting tighter and tighter in this range with a horizontal resistance line at 860. Triangles can go either way. They can either squeeze higher or they can squeeze lower. It's all about waiting to see which way it actually ends up breaking, and if it breaks with strong volume. So if we can get a break above this 860 level with strong buying volume, I would be looking to definitely buy into that. Another thing that we can see is that the stock is somewhat forming a cup and handle. As we can see, we got a cup right over here, and this kind of looks like an overextended handle. Now the stock is getting ready for a squeeze higher. So now that you get a rough idea of how the technicals are looking, let me talk about my price target and where I see the stock heading. So if we can manage to break above 860 and get a nice solid clean breakout, I could easily see the stock heading all the way up to about this 1050 level. This was a previous level of support the stock had all the way back over here, and so I believe the stock would probably push up and turn that level into resistance. If it can break above 1050, then the stock could definitely be heading up to $12, where the stock had resistance over here, and over here. If this ascending triangle fails and we end up dropping lower, I could see the stock retesting about 650, where it had support over here, and support way back over here. If it breaks 650, then the stock could be heading all the way down to about $5, where it had support in this area. So right now, in my opinion, it's all about waiting to see, can we get a clean solid break above 850, because if we get that along with strong buying volume, the stock could be heading up for a pretty big move higher. So guys, if you want to learn technical analysis and learn all about MACD crosses, cup and handles, EMA crosses, all that good stuff, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you learn technical analysis so that you can become more profitable and make better entry and exit decisions. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.